Hi, I'm Dee Hays, the founder and inventor of HeelzFirst, the first garment created to help women wear their high heels comfortably every day. I'm here today to show you how to put your heels first on your favorite pair of high heel shoes. First, take your HeelzFirst garment and locate the small seam located at the bottom of the garment. Notice there's a large opening and a small opening. You want to take your pair of high heel shoes and put the heel into the large opening and out the small opening on the HeelzFirst garment. Large opening and small opening. And then gently pull your HeelzFirst garment up over the back of your high heel shoes. Once you put the garment on your foot, it will settle into shape your shoe. Now you're ready to put the garment and the shoe onto your foot. Adjust your heels first, and voila, you're wearing your heels comfortably.